turn this one on. There you go. Up, down, down and out, I think. Fires up the old. There we go. Down and in. I think it was to calibrate. Let's do that again. Alright. Up, down, down and in. There we go. Now down and out to start the motors, and then you can throttle up. There we go. I think the throttle changes the speed, I think. Yep, it does. And I think the right controller, or forward backwards, I think it'll do a flip here. Hold on, let me get it up. Oops. Yeah, that's how you do it. You push it in, and hear a beep, and tell it which way to go. Left, right, forward, backwards. Let's do whoa. Let's go back to 1. It's hard to... Whoa, what are you doing? Where is it? Darn. Other thing went... I need to trim that sucker out. There we go. That's better. Alright, let's do a forward flip. And let's do a backward flip. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright. Left, or let's do a right one. Ooh! I don't want to go down on that one, so I don't know. Let me go up the left one. Oops, that was forward. Sorry. The left. There we go. Alright. This one is fun to fly. Oh. Alright, let's get it back over here. That's already, battery's already flashing. It doesn't last that long anyway, so